用万用表测量机组的电源电压 ，measure the power supply voltage of the unit with a multimeter。用万用表交流档测量接线板电源端电压 ，use a multimeter to measure the voltage at the power terminal of the terminal block。检查进风口和出风口是否脏堵 ，check whether the air inlet and outlet are dirty and blocked。开机，检查外风扇电机运转是否正常 ，start the machine and check whether the external fan motor runs normally。注意听声音 ，listen to the sound。用手摸电子能量阀，确定是否有病毒现象 ，touch the electronic power valve to determine if there are signs of a virus。上电，查看主板显示灯情况 ，power on the device and check the indicator status on the mainboard。